Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your $10 account, your $20 account, and also your $30 account. Alright. So if you're excited and want to see how this works, just make sure you stick to the video till the end. Don't skip any part of this video because I'll be sharing some powerful information you don't want to miss. Alright. So before I share with you how the strategy work, I'm going to first of all share with you the strategy, the setup. Okay. So first thing you have to do is to click on this N icon over here. After clicking on that, you have to search for the relative strength index first. Okay. Now, after searching for the relative strength index, to click on it. Now you can see the parameters. The period is 1. The apply to close. Under the star we have 2 pixel, and you can see this color here. Now the levels, which is the most important thing, you have to set it to 15, and here is 85, and then the pixel you have to pick 2, and the color you choose black. Okay, that's if you are using a white background, but if you are using a black background, you choose white or any other color. After that, you go back and then you click on done. Okay, now and after that, the next indicator is the envelope. Right here, you search and add the envelope under the relative strength index. Right, before you add the envelope, this is the icon you have to click on. Okay, so that it will be added under the relative strength index. Right, so now these are the parameters for the envelope. The period is 14, the shift is 0, deviation 0.001, the method is simple, apply to close. Now under the style, you can see here the pixel 44 color, you can choose the same red. Alright, so after that you click on done. Now the third indicator here is the moving average, right? The famous moving average. Now the period is 5, shift 0, the exponential method is exponential, apply to close. Under the star we have 4 pixel, the color is blue. Okay, then after that click on done. Now for the indicator window 2, right, before you add the indicator window 2, you have to click on this icon here, the up one, then you search for relative strength index again. Alright, the setting is the same as the first one, right? After that you click on done. Then before you add this indicator here, you have to click on this icon now, right, so that you add the awesome oscillator under the relative strength index. So these are the parameters for the awesome oscillator. This is just it, nothing more. It's as simple as this. So after that you click on done. Then the last but not the least indicator is the moving average, right? The period is 1, shift 0, method simple, the apply to, you have to choose previous indicators data. Under the star we have 4 pixel, the color is blue. So after that you click on done, and then you go back. Now you are going to have something like this on your screen if you have done it correctly, right? Now let's explain how the strategy works. Right, now the first condition you need for this strategy is, first of all, you are going to see a spike, and then all this on the indicator window 2, this window here, you're going to see that the awesome oscillator line, the red and the green line with this blue line here are going to be above, touching the 85 level, right? They'll be touching the 85 level. Once you see that this is touching this, also you are going to check on the indicator window 1 that the blue line is also now touching the 85 level. All right, this blue line here, all right, is touching the 85 level. All right, it's in agreement with this indicator window to also. Now what you do next is to wait for a crossing to happen, right, on the indicator window 1. After getting the confirmation that the 85 level has been touched, you wait for the blue line to cross below the red, right? So now immediately you see that crossing, immediately you see that it has crossing below it, right? You take 5 candles, right? 5 candles and you are out. All right, nothing more than 5 candles, right? The strategy is very simple but powerful, right? So if you follow the conditions I've laid out now, you are going to be profitable over time. Okay, so make sure you follow every instruction I've given, right? So I will explain it again. First of all, you are to allow this to touch the 85 level, and then you watch out for this blue line also, and you make sure that it's touching the 85 level. Now the next thing is to wait for that crossing to happen, the crossing of the blue below the red. So immediately you see that crossing, you go in for 5 candles, right? You make sure it has crossed below it and the crossing is clear, right? Then you take your 5 candles, you are out. All right, it's a very powerful strategy, guys. Simple but powerful. Make sure you can see that this is touching the 85 level, right? Or you can see this one is not touching. You can also take this trade, but it's not a full assurance trade, right? So it's when the both of them, this one here and this blue line, as touching the 85 level, that is showing that price is now in a strong support and resistance zone. All right, that kind of trade is a very short trade. All right, and your 5 candle is sure, right? But this kind of one, there can be spike anytime. All right, but you can also take trade with it. All right, whenever you take trade and it crosses below this, you are just to take like 4 candles or 3 candles, you are out. All right, don't wait for 5. Okay, don't wait for 5. This is another type of trade again. Then this is the short type. You can see the both of them is touching the 85, right? So whenever it crosses below that the red, just know that your 5 candle is sure. All right, so that's everything I have for you guys today. All right, so if you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe, because here on this channel I share powerful strategy just like this one that will help you grow your small account. Okay, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, which will help me get recommended to other people, right, so that they can also watch this video too and they will be getting the same help you are getting right now. Okay, so that is pretty much everything on this one, guys. See you guys on the next video. Thank you. Silver out. For the zoom level, you are to zoom out completely. Okay, you zoom out completely like this, and then you zoom in twice. Zoom in 1 and then 2, right? So that is pretty much everything for the zoom level. Okay.